Hi guys, today I will explain how to create a project in Adobe Premiere Pro. This process will be simple and easy. The first thing is open the application. Once it will be open, take a look on the left top, you can see the option New Project. The first thing on the top is project name. You can enter the project name, like I write the project name demo. The next thing is you have to choose the location for the project. If you are working with a client or with your friend, then create a new folder and choose the location for this project of that folder by clicking on it. And here, tap on the option Choose Location. Then your computer will be open, and here you can select that folder. But for now, I will not select. You don't have to do anything here. The last thing is take a look on the right bottom. You can see the option of Create. Click on it. And as you can see, the project has been created successfully. Now, create a new sequence and edit your video in Adobe Premiere Pro. And it was the way by which you can do it easily.